Do you have confusion in this sentence? I was go. She were cooking. They was watching. Hello everyone. My identity is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશનું એક પાવરફુલ ટેન્સ શીખવાના છીએ. પાસ્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ. આ ટેન્સ સ્ટોરી ટેલિંગ, સ્પોકન ઇંગ્લિશ અને ફ્લુઅન્ટ ઇંગ્લિશ માટે ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. જો તમે મૂવીઝ, સ્ટોરીઝ કે રિયલ લાઈફ ઇન્સિડન્ટ્સ કોન્ફિડન્ટથી ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલવા માંગો છો તો આ ટેન્સ મસ્ટ છે. લેટ્સ જમ્પ ઇન. We start this video with definition of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes an action or event that was in progress at a specific time in the past. It highlights that the action was ongoing or incomplete during that time. Example: I was studying at 8 p.m. She was cooking food. They were talking loudly. પાસ્ટમાં કામ કોન્ટિન્યુ થઈ રહ્યું હતું. ગુજરાતી ક્લૂઝ: રહ્યો હતો, રહી હતી, રહ્યા હતા. એક્ઝામ્પલ: હું ભણી રહી હતી. I was studying. Now we will learn formulas in deep explanation. Remember, formulas are very important. First one, positive statement formula: subject plus was were plus V1 ing. Next one, use of was: I, he, she, it કે સિંગ્યુલર સબ્જેક્ટ હોય તો was નો યુઝ થાય. એક્ઝામ્પલ: I was sleeping. She was dancing. Now use of were: we, you, they કે સબ્જેક્ટ પ્લુરલ ફોર્મમાં હોય તો વરનો યુઝ થાય. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: we were walking. They were running. Easy trick: સબ્જેક્ટ સિંગ્યુલર હોય તો was, સબ્જેક્ટ પ્લુરલ હોય તો were. Now fast revision. Rules of ing. First one, normal rules. Examples: shout, shouting, tell, telling. Now remove e rule. જ્યારે કોઈ વર્બની પાછળ e હોય તો e ડ્રોપ કરી ing લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: give, giving, dance, dancing. Now double letter rule. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર સિંગલ વોવલ હોય તો લાસ્ટ લેટર ડબલ કરી ing લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: run, running, sit, sitting. Now double vowel rule. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર ડબલ વોવેલ હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ ing. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: speak, speaking, dream, dreaming. Now YW rule. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર y કે w હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ ing. Examples: say, saying, draw, drawing. Now last one, remove ie, add ying. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર ie હોય તો તે ડ્રોપ કરી ying લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: die, dying, lie, lying. Now we will see negative statements. Formula: subject plus was were plus not plus V1 ing. Examples: I was not talking. They were not shouting. Now let's learn interrogative sentence. Formula: was were plus subject plus V1 ing. Examples: were you coming? Was she pushing? Now use of past continuous tense in real life spoken English. First one, action in progress in the past. Example: I was watching TV at 9 p.m. Next one, interrupted action. Example, I was sleeping when the phone rang. Next one, two actions together. While I was studying, my brother was playing. Last one is storytelling. Example, it was raining and the people was running. Remember, past continuous tense storytelling માટે ખૂબ જ પાવરફુલ છે. Now let's learn about while versus when. મોસ્ટલી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આ ટોપિકમાં સ્ટક થઈ જાય છે. આ કોન્સેપ્ટ એક્ઝામ માટે ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. ફર્સ્ટ we see while for long continued action. Example, while I was studying, he came. Now when for short action. Example, I was sleeping when the bell rang. Easy trick. While for long continued action. When for short action. Now let's fix some common mistakes that made by students and beginners. First one, they was going. No, they were going. They સાથે were આવે. Next one, I was skipping. No, I was skipping. I સાથે was આવે. આજે આપણે પ્રેઝન્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ ડીપ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કર્યું. Now quick revise what we learned today. First one, definition of past continuous tense. Use of was, were. ing rules. Formulas of positive statement, negative statement, interrogative statements. Comparison, while versus when. આ ટોપિક તમારું ઇંગ્લિશ નેચરલ અને ફ્લુઅન્ટ બનાવશે અને તમે બેસ્ટ સ્ટોરી ટેલર બની શકશો. રાઇટ ઇન કોમેન્ટ past continuous tense master. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.